But these are issues that we have created, and we're not admitting and we're not addressing to them, Marcus.
We are addressing the problem, Maxine, just not at your pace. These things have to be thought out and strategically dealt with. I don't understand you. Why are you being like this? You're so impatient.
Don't tell me about impatience, Marcus. Many things need immediate attention, and you are dragging your feet and being selective about what you address.
The sooner you realize that this is a team effort and you play better as a team, the better it will be. I put you here.
You put me here? Marcus, you begged me because of the situation that you are in, and I'm here to help out. But I realize that every time I'm to make a decision in this office, your little songbird comes singing to you.
You know what your problem is? Your impulsive nature. You have to be kept on a leash like a dog.
With all due respect, Dr. Grant, my directive is to report to the minister, and that is what I've been doing.
Oh no. What you've been doing is being a little program hawk that he's left here to do his little bidding.
I follow my job description. That is what I do.
Of course you do. That's what little puppets do.
Maxine, no need to be rude. Celine is doing her job, and she's not deviating from the plan. Unlike you.
Whisper, we are going in the rain. It's rain or fall.
So, oh, you are sweet. Then it's rain or fall.
Whisper, the shop have to keep clean. We must have carried there.
Well, yeah, it have to keep clean, but after the rain done, because everybody are coming in mud of foot and don't walk out this way.
Anyways, you're gonna live long, you know? Me and Patsy just did that chat thing.
Patsy didn't come here. Or you call her up on her phone.
Over her phone, I call her because I see the gate area them missing. So, and she not write it down, so I have to call her to make sure if I she didn't keep.
Anyways, I know what I read. Follow me.
Come on.
So, well, I know you're pregnant because I said to Mr. Mullins, say, you understand, say, you can't just get up and go anywhere you feel like halfway home, just like that.
Whisper, I'm not pray you. I just never expect you to throw me under a bus like that.
And what's the plan, Mr. Minister? To frustrate the people of this country into protests and possible riots?
Here you go again. Being melodramatic as usual.
Oh, let's talk about melodramatic. Let's state some facts, shall we? The cost for bread. The average citizen cannot afford it. Road fatalities is going up in numbers. The crime, what about the family of 3 the other day that died and nothing is being done about it? Not to mention, your transport minister decided for the most opportune time to raise transport fees right now when no one can afford it. Okay? You say I'm being dramatic. What about the expatriates? They are not allowed to pay taxes until this extended period of time. 5, 8 years, who knows? Marcus, can you not see what's happening?
Dr. Grant, you do know some of the things you've mentioned are not government related. For example, road fatalities.
All of it is government related, young lady. Some directly and some indirectly. We have a sworn obligation to uphold certain values in this country and to hold people accountable.
Well, people need to hold themselves accountable as well.
Do you think this is your high school debate team? This is real life.
Ladies, this is not the place for it. Try and be civil. Maxine. Celine, have a seat. Calm down.
No, I have the utmost respect for Dr. Grant. But clearly she sees me as a misguided child or something.
Maxine.
Do you want me to tell you how I really see you?
It really doesn't matter how you see me. All that matters is how I see myself.